Are you tired of using old-fashioned methods to clean your ears? Struggling with Q-tips or wondering if your ears are actually clean? Well, meet the game changer, the earwax removal tool with camera. It's smart, safe, and efficient today. I'm giving you an in-depth review to show why this gadget is trending everywhere. Before start video, if you are new on our channel, please like video and subscribe. My channel for more interesting products reviews. This isn't your ordinary ear cleaning tool. The earwax removal tool comes equipped with a 1080p HD camera and 6 LED lights to give you a crystal clear view of your ear canal. It's like having your very own mini doctor at home. The package includes everything you need. 8 ear scoops of different shapes and sizes. Silicone covers for added safety. A rechargeable battery with up to 90 minutes of use per charge. And, of course, the star feature, the camera that works seamlessly with your iOS or Android device. Using this device is incredibly easy. Just scan the QR code to download the app, turn on the ear camera, and connect it to your phone via Wi-Fi. Within seconds, you're ready to explore and clean your ears with precision. You can take photos and videos while cleaning, and the app stores everything safely in your album. Perfect if you need to show your doctor or simply track your ear health. Let's talk about the standout features. HD camera. See every detail inside. Your ear with incredible clarity. Customizable ear scoops. Choose from 3 different angles for the perfect fit. And the silicone tips ensure you don't scratch your ear canal. Waterproof design. The IP67 rating means you can wash the ear scoop and lens after use. It's safe and hygienic. Multi-purpose use. This isn't just for ears. You can also check your teeth, nose, or even scalp roots. It's a versatile tool for the whole family. Ease of use, setting it up took less than a minute. Safety, the silicone tips and real-time camera make ear cleaning worry-free. Rechargeable battery, one charge lasts a long time. Up to 30 days on standby. But, like every product, it has a few minor downsides. It takes some practice to get used to navigating the ear canal with the camera. The app connection can be tricky if there's interference from other Wi-Fi signals. Overall though, these are small trade-offs for a device that offers so much convenience. Don't just take my word for it. This tool has over 18,000 glowing reviews. On Amazon with an average rating of 4.3 stars. Ready to upgrade your ear cleaning game? Click the link in the description to get yours today. Don't wait, your ears will thank you. Like video and subscribe channel for more interesting reviews.